Hello, welcome to our conversation today.
Hello, thank you.
Today, we talk about you. We learn about you. Is that okay?
Yes, that's great.
Perfect. So, let's start. What is your name?
My name is Roman.
Roman. That's a nice name. Can you spell it?
Yes, Roman. Roman.
Roman. Thank you. And where are you from?
I am from Poland. I am Polish.
Oh, Poland. That's nice. I am from Ukraine.
Really? That's close to Poland.
Yes, very close. So, how old are you?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 26. We are young.
Yes, we are.
Okay, next question. What do you do? Do you work or do you study?
I work. I am a teacher.
A teacher. What do you teach?
I teach English. I teach children and adults.
That's wonderful. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much. I like teaching. It is interesting.
That's good. Teaching is important.
Yes, it is.
And tell me, what are your hobbies? What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading. I like books.
What books do you like?
I like history books, and I like stories.
Nice. Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I also like cooking.
Cooking. What do you cook?
I cook pasta, soup, and pizza. I like Italian food.
Italian food is delicious. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. I like football. I watch football on TV.
Do you play football?
Sometimes I play with my friends, but I am not very good.
That's okay. It's fun.
Yes, it is fun.
So, let me remember. You are from Poland. You are 28 years old. You are a teacher. You like reading, cooking, and football, right?
Yes, that's right.
Very good. Now tell me more. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. I listen to music every day.
What music do you like?
I like rock music and pop music.
Do you play music? Do you play an instrument?
No, I don't play music, but I like listening.
That's nice. Music is good.
Yes, I agree.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling very much. I like visiting new places.
Where do you travel?
I travel in Europe. I like Germany, France, and Spain.
Beautiful countries.
Yes, very beautiful. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I like traveling too.
Maybe one day we can travel together.
That's a good idea. Okay, last question. What do you not like? What don't you like?
I don't like cold weather. I don't like winter very much.
Oh, but you are from Poland. Poland is cold.
Yes, I know.
I understand. I don't like cold weather too.
Really?
Yes, I like summer. Summer is nice and warm.
I agree. Summer is the best.
Okay, thank you for talking with me today.
Thank you. This was nice.
Yes, it was. Now our listeners know you.
I hope they enjoyed it.
I'm sure they did. So, goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.